Inverse variation is a direct opposite of the direct variation. And as we saw from the session on the direct variation, we saw that y varies, when we say y varies directly as x is the same as y, and then this sign of proportionality and the x. And if we introduce the constant of proportionality, then this is supposed to be y is equals to k and then x. That is for the direct variation. Now, since the indirect is the opposite of this, then if y varies inversely, then it means that y is equals to, it means that y varies inversely, and that one is just 1 over x. So for the direct variation, we have y and then x. Then for the inverse, it's y and 1 over x. And if we introduce the constant of proportionality, the k, is just the same way as we've done for the direct variation. So this is the same as y is equals to our k and then 1 over x. Okay, so we are going to have some examples. Number 1, we have y varies inversely as x, and this is the same as that. And then we are asked if y is equals to 20 when x is equals to 4, find y when x is equals to 1 over 8. So just the same way as we did for the direct variation, if you haven't watched that lesson, kindly go back, or I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can first learn that one and then you come to the inverse. So when we introduce a constant of proportionality, here it's going to be 1 is equals to k and then 1 over x. So the first step is to solve for the value of k by using these values that we already given, the y and x, because you already have them. Once you have the value of k, now you can go to the second set of values, whereby x is equals to 1 over 8. You have your k, and then you can look, or you can solve for the value of y. So y is 20 is equals to k, we don't know, and then 1 all over 4. This is the same as k over 4 is equals to 20, and therefore k is equals to 4 multiplied by 20, that is the same as 80. So we have the value of k, we know the value of x is 1 over 8, and then we can find for y is equals to k all over x. We know that k is equals to 80, x is equals to 1 over 8. Then find the value of y. So y is equals to k, we know is 80, and then x is 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 8. This is the same as 80 divided by 1 over 8, right? Same as 80 multiplied by the reciprocal of 1 over 8 is same as 8 over 1, and y is equals to 640. Okay, y is equals to 640. Example number 2. Example number 2, we are told A varies inversely as B. A varies inversely as B. Okay, now if A is equals to 7 when B is equals to 11, if A is equals to 7 when B is equals to 11, the first part of the question is asking for you to find the equation that is connecting A and B. The equation that's connecting A and B. And that equation, you are going to find get it after you find for the value of K. That's when you know what is how the equation looks like that connects A and B. So the same way, our constant of proportionality and then B. A is 7 when B is 11, and therefore K is equals to 77. The equation that connects A and B is A is equals to 77 all over B. A is equals to 77 all over B. That's the equation that's connecting A and B. Now, let's go to the second part of the question. We find for A when B is equals to 3. We've seen the equation is like this, and therefore we are needed to find for the value of A when B is equals to 3. So this is the same as A is equals to 77 all over 3. 77 divided by 3, this is the same as 25, and then 2 all over 3. So our A is equals to 25, 2 over 3, and you're done. So kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share, and till next time, thanks and bye.